Wondering what payment options are available on Amazon? Don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the accepted payment methods you should know. So, let's get started. First, open the Amazon app or website and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go to your account section. On your account page, look for the Your Payments section and click on it. Here, you'll see all the payment methods you can use on Amazon. Amazon generally accepts credit and debit cards, including Visa, MasterCard, and other major cards. You can also use Amazon gift cards or your available Amazon balance to pay for orders. In some regions, such as the United States, Amazon also supports bank transfers using your personal checking account. You may also be able to use specific cards, such as OTC benefits cards, FSA or HSA cards, Amazon store cards, or EBT cards depending on your location and eligibility. To add a new payment method, click on Add a Payment Method, choose your preferred option, and then enter your details. You can also edit or remove existing payment methods from this section. And that's it. Now you know what payment methods Amazon accepts and how to manage them.